Moving to next problem, it is given that body originally 60 degrees centigrade cools down to 40 degrees centigrade in 15 minutes while kept in air at a temperature of 25 degrees centigrade. It is given that the surrounding temperature is 25 degree centigrade, or you can say ambient temperature. So initial body temperature was 60 centigrade and cools down to 40 centigrade in 15 minutes. Then it is asking what will be the temperature of body after 30 minutes. Okay. Now here, whenever body is cooled down, we follow a Newton's laws of cooling. What Newton's laws of cooling states that d theta by dt is equals to minus of theta minus theta naught, where theta is the body temperature, okay, body temperature, and theta naught is the surrounding temperature or ambient temperature. In our case, the surrounding temperature is given to us is 25 degrees centigrade, okay. Why minus sign? Because it is the case of cooling, because with time temperature is getting decreased. So d theta by dt is negative. But this one is positive. Theta minus theta naught is positive. Why? Because body temperature is higher. That is why it is getting cool. So theta minus theta naught is positive. So positive and negative. So in order to satisfy the equality, I have put the additional negative sign. Okay. Now I can write d theta by dt is equals to minus k theta minus theta naught, where k is the proportionality constant. Now put the value of theta naught. Theta naught is already given 25 degrees centigrade. So d theta by dt is equals to minus k into theta minus 25. Now I can write this theta by theta minus 25 is equals to minus k dt. So the right hand side is constant term, and here, not this side, all the term in theta. So here the variable is theta. So it is in the form of variable separation form. So now I can directly integrate this. So the integration of 1 by theta minus 25 will be ln theta minus 25. And the integration of this constant will be minus kt plus c, where c is the arbitrary constant of integration. Okay. Now in order to find the constant k and c, we will use the given condition. It is given that at time t is equals to 0, the body temperature was 60 degrees centigrade. Now put the value of theta here in this equation. Ln 60 minus 25 is equals to t is equals to 0. So minus k into 0 plus c. So 60 minus 25 is 35. So value of c is equals to ln 35. Again, at time t is equals to 15, the temperature of the body was 40 degrees centigrade. Now again put these values in this equation. You will get 40 minus 25 is equals to k into 15 plus c. And value of c is ln 35. So I can write 15k is equals to ln 35 minus this one. Ln 40 minus 25 is ln 15 minus ln 15. So from here the value of k will be 1 by 15 into ln 35 by 15. I am using the property of log, that is they are in subtraction. So this term will get divided 35 by 15. So this is the value of k. So I have got the value of k as well as c. Now it is asking what will be the temperature of body after 30 minutes. So put the value of k and c in this equation. You will get ln theta minus 25 is equals to k is equals to 1 by 15 ln 35 by 15 into t plus c. C is ln 35. Now after 30 minutes the temperature will be, so put the value of time here. Time value is 30 minutes. So you will get ln theta minus 25 is equals to minus 1 by 15 ln 35 by 15 into 30. Value of time is 30 minutes plus ln 35. This 15 twos are 30. So you will get minus 2 ln 35 by 15 plus ln 15. Take this minus 2 inside. So you will get ln 35 by 15 to the power minus 2 plus ln 35. So this will get reverse. So square of 15 is 225 and 35 is square. And this will get multiplied because they are in addition into 35. 135 and 135 will get cancelled. So we will left out with ln theta minus 25 is equals to ln 225 by 35. So if you compare both sides, you will get theta minus 25 is equals to 225 by 35. So theta minus 25 is equals to 225 by 35. That is ln and ln will get cancelled. So from here, theta is equals to 45 by 7 plus 25, which will come out to be 31.43 degrees centigrade. Okay. So after 30 minutes, the temperature of the body will be 31.43 degrees centigrade. Okay.